Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a few packs here of 2019 Donruss baseball that I found at my local Walmart. Picked those up, and they were like what, $3.49 a pack or something like that. I was like, hey, why not? I'm gonna go ahead and grab them. These are the only 5 I found over there, so thought it'd be a pretty cool break. I never opened this product, so hope you guys are doing well. Like I said, hope you guys enjoyed that my last video, or that Donruss gravity feed box from Dollar Tree. If you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and check out my other videos there. It should be the very last one that I made. So if this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you can stick around and watch these 5 packs get ripped open really quick. And hopefully you like it. You can subscribe to the channel and support it. I'd really appreciate it. But let's get right into it, guys. And for those of you that have been here before, thank you so much for sticking by and being here again. So let's see what we can get out of this. Nice Shohei Ohtani. Trevor Oaks. Willie Adames. Oh man, there's a lot of flipping around going on here. Vizcaíno. Jackie Bradley. Gonsalves rookie. Mitch Haniger. Ponce de Leon. Heaney. We got a upside down card here of Obdubel Herrera. Prism, I guess I want to call it. Alex Kirilloff. Sorry about that. Focus is gone. Franchise features. Now playing Aaron Judge. Franchise features Alex Kirilloff. Coming attraction. So this is supposed to be like that, or something going on here? I'm not quite sure. That's a very nice background there. That looks very sweet. Cool. Trevor Richards. Jose Ramirez. Suarez. Oh man, I'm not liking this. Marquez. JT Realmuto. I didn't know his real name was Jacob Tyler. Learned something new there. Sterling Marte. JD Martinez. Talon. KB. Chris Bryant. JT Realmuto. Okay, this might be maybe the nickname one. I don't know. Like the KB is for Chris Bryant. This is the regular base. Joey Gallo. Felix Hernandez. Jeff McNeil, rated rookie. Josh Donaldson. Sean Newcomb. Francisco Lindor. Miguel Cabrera. And Justice Sheffield, rated rookie. I don't know what to look for in these cards, to be honest. Just 2009 rookies. I don't know. Hopefully you can pull something crazy over here. There's only 5 packs I saw at Walmart, so. Brandon Crawford. I'm going to give that to a coworker's son. He likes the Giants. There's the nickname for Shohei Ohtani, Showtime. Nolan Arenado. El Causa. Jesus Aguilar. Aaron Judge. Luke Voigt. Pucci. Who's Pucci? Oh, Ozzy Albies. Should have noticed that. Pucci. Justin Smock. Tio Oscar Hernandez. Justin Verlander. We got Paul Goldschmidt. Pink Parallel. That's what they're called. Hollow Red and a Vector Parallels. That's what they're called. So this must be the hollow red. And here is the other one. I love that background. That background looks so nice. Nolan Arenado with Guerrero Jr. Simmons, Justin Smoke, Michael Brantley, Kyle Wright, rated rookie, Joey Wendell, Jose Ramirez, Albert Pujols, Hunter Renfroe, nice Michael Kopech for the Chicago White Sox. Cool. Nice card there. Next, we got Max Muncy, Trey Turner, Kevin Newman rookie, Anthony Rendon, Astudillo rookie card, Tyler O'Neill, Miles Straw, Wilson Ramos, and a Patrick Wisdom rookie card. Pack number 3. You guys do me a favor. Can you let me know how's the video look now? It look a little brighter. I think it looks a lot brighter, right? Does it come out better on your end there when you guys get a chance to see it while you're watching it? Let me know how it comes out. Kind of move this lamp around a little bit. Gleyber, Goldschmidt, Max Muncy, Aaron Judge, Mitch Haniger, Diamond Kings, Conforto, Goldschmidt, Chapman. Nice. Juanjo. Cool. Juan Soto there. Nice. Now here we got Josh Donaldson, red. Very nice. Then we got franchise features, coming attraction, Royce Lewis with Carlos Correa. All right, Nick Williams, Yadier Molina, Cody Bellinger, Danny Jansen, rated rookie, Jose Urena, George Springer, Reese Hoskins, Chris Archer, Loaizaga, Hayes, Pilar, Tanner Rainey, another Shohei Ohtani, Trevor Oaks, Willie Adames, Vizcaíno again, Bradley Jr. again. We got that little sequence there in the first pack. All right. Pack number 4. Candelario, Austin Meadows, JT Realmuto, Gonsalves, rated rookie, Yelly, Javier Baez, Encarnacion, Chris Sale, Merrifield, Felix Hernandez, Stars, cool. Joey Votto, red. And we got here a Collegiate National Team, U.S. Kenyon Yowan, American Pride. Don't know much about that guy. Chris Archer, Loaizaga, Justin Turner, Juan Soto, John Lester, Beltre, Jake Bowers, rated rookie. Nice. Ronald Acuna Jr. I'll definitely take that, Acuna. Oh, sorry about that, guys. And Hunter Pence. Sorry about that, guys. Had to cut that really quick. Hunter Pence. Camera was about to fall. Bryce Wilson. Freddie Peralta. Matt Boyd. Matt Carpenter. Eric Hayes. Kevin Pillar. Oh man, there's a lot of turn around here. Another Shohei Ohtani. Final pack, guys. Paul Goldschmidt. Kennedy. Flaherty. Richards. Arnola. Grayson Grainer. Chris Davis. Daniel Palka. Joey Votto. Got a Blue Stars. Chris Bryant. That one's very nice. And this one has like a different back to the other ones. Check this out real quick. Can you guys tell the difference there? Feels different. Do you guys know what kind of parallel this is by any chance? There's a kind of more cardboard back there. It's a nice one. I'm happy with that. With the Cubs, Chris Bryant. I am a Cubs fan, for those of you that don't know. Next, we got a backwards card, Trevor Oaks. Very nice. And then Collegiate USA team of Brandon Shoemake. Collegiate national team. Cool. All right. Continue on. Miguel Andujar. Mookie Betts. Anthony Rizzo. Benintendi. Brandon Crawford. Another Showtime. I think it's like the 5th Shohei Ohtani. Ornado. Aguilar. Aaron Judge. Another Ronald Acuna. We'll take that. Moncada. Rafael Devers. Eddie Rosario. Corbin Burns, rated rookie. Manny Machado. Jeremy Jeffers. Whit Merrifield. And finally a Shane Bieber. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed it. That was my first time breaking this stuff, so there's a few cards I want to look into. That one right there, and it's probably the only one. It definitely feels a lot different here on the back. Very nice card. Alright guys, hopefully you guys like that. Please like, subscribe if you can, and leave any comments or anything, any advice. Let me know about the lighting in the video. Hopefully everything looks a lot better than it was. Alright guys, appreciate it so much. You guys have a good night. Take care. Hey, really quick guys, I forgot to mention that if you guys want any of the cards in the break, go ahead and just let me know. Shoot me an email. My email's in the description, or will be in the description of the video. Shoot me an email with your name and your address, your complete address, and the card you would like, and I'll get them shipped out to you. All right, for free on me. All right, guys. Take care, guys. Thanks.